Today we'll talk about how can you add home tune on your Audiomack app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your home tune app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go above your photo profile here, click on it. When just click on photo profile, it's going to take you to this list here. So then all you have to do, so you just click here in this sign. When you just click on it, then it's going to take you to this list here. So then all you have to do now, just click here on hometown here. When you just click on hometown, then it's going to take you to this list, and here you select from for your hometown here in this list. So when you add it, just click on save, then it's going to save with you. That's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.